Welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned Oceanview 3-bedroom 2-bath is located upstairs in our 2307 building. You can park in any of the 6 parking places here in front of the building, and then walk right up the sidewalk in the center of the property, go up the stairs, and look for your keys in a sealed envelope that'll have your name on it that's in a box right by your front door. Hardcover lanai for the Oceanview has probably the best ocean view of any of our accommodations. There's outdoor dining for 4, a chaise lounge to enjoy the sun, and a stainless steel barbecue. For more information, please see our website at www.hideawaycove.com. Click on Accommodations and Rates, and at the top of the page you'll find a lot of useful information, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. Scroll down for more detailed information on our air-conditioned Oceanview 3-bedroom 2-bath. You might also be interested in our air-conditioned Royalty 3-bedroom 3-bath. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com or call on our toll-free line at 866-849-2426.